Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this frozen fruit blender. I already had this blender for over 2 months now, and I love using this thing to make my personal size smoothies using my frozen fruits. So let me show you what this brings. So you have the actual container itself. Here is the blender blade right here, and also brings the cap where after you finish blending that you cap it up and then you can drink it from here. And it has an extra large hole, so that way any chunks of fruit could still come out here. So you're also able to remove this handle by bringing it down. And this is a little tough, but a little muscle and it comes off. On the bottle itself, it has a measuring guide, either 500 milliliters or 800 milliliters right here. And it has this handy strap that I'm using that you can also hold on to. So I'm going to show you how well it works when I make my smoothie in here. Okay, so I'm making my 21 gram protein shake right now. So I'm gonna put my protein powder. I already have the water inside there. And I have my bananas. Now I'm gonna use the blender to blend it all up. Right there, I'm gonna flip it over. And then you gotta press the button twice for it to turn on. So it's chopping up all the bananas and mixing everything very well. Okay, so once the blender stopped, I'm gonna take off the blender. Let me show you how it looks. Nice and smooth and creamy. I'm gonna put my top back on and enjoy my banana protein smoothie. Cleanup is easy. All you do is fill this up with water, put some soap in it, and then it'll self-clean. Let me show you. So I added my soap and my water in there. I'm gonna put the blender back in, flip it over, press it twice. So now it's cleaning the bottle and the blade. You press the button to stop it, and now the bottle is nice and clean. Overall, this is a great frozen fruit blender. I like how much fruits will fit in here. I also like how strong that this blade is. It chops up the fruit easily and quickly, and it makes the smoothie nice and smooth. And the battery lasts a long time with this blender.